So this is the front end of the website. If you want to access the backend, you will simply add a /wp-admin to the URL. It will take you to the backend login page. Now, how do you log into the website? Remember when we installed WordPress from the cPanel, we had put in some user ID and password, right? The credentials. So that is what we require over here. So in my case, it is a cat 37 admin. I'll enter the password and login. You'll find a familiar interface. In the previous videos, we have explored pages. In this video, let me just guide you first through what posts are. So post, add new post, you can select add new or select add new from here. This is the existing post, the sample post that WordPress has given us. I'll delete the post, trash, and let us go ahead and explore a new one, add new. Okay, so a very similar interface similar to pages. So we can add title over here, you can start typing content over here, you can add blocks from this section, you can publish your content from here, you can preview the content from here, and if you go to documents, you can schedule your content. Instead of publishing it immediately, you can schedule it. By scheduling, I mean you can set a future time, future date, and the content or the post will automatically get published on that particular day. The only difference is the categories section, right? So over here you can add categories. Posts have categories, pages do not have categories. Remember I told you that if I write content about keyword research, I can categorize it as digital marketing, whereas I cannot categorize an about us and contact us page. So pages don't have any category, whereas posts do. So if you want to create a new category, simply head on to add new category section and you can write a name. Let me just type in digital marketing. Okay, do you want to add this category digital marketing to any parent category? No, because this itself is the parent category. Simply select add new category option and there you go. This is the category that you have created. Okay, if you want to create a subcategory, simply type in category name as social. I already have it, social media, and I want social media to be a part of digital marketing category. That is, social media will be a subcategory of digital marketing. So you'll have to choose the parent category as digital marketing and then you select add new category. And now whatever content you publish over here, it will be categorized under digital marketing and social media. Okay, so it should look something like this. I have a similar example. Can you see 5 free Instagram fonts for bio? This is basically an article around Instagram font generator, which can add a fancy look and feel to your Instagram bio. So I've categorized this post as digital marketing and social media. So that is what this can do for you. Additionally, you can add tags as well. Tags are nothing but keywords for your content, and uh, they help in your overall SEO, not to a very larger extent, but yes, they help the search engines understand what your content is about. Uh, in my blog, it looks something like this. Let me just select the article, and if you scroll down to the bottom, can you see tags? I've added Instagram bio font, copy paste, Instagram fonts, Instagram font for bio. So this content is about Instagram fonts for bio. So that is what tags are. Okay, and once you start typing the title, you will see a permalink as well, very much similar to what we have seen in pages. Okay, give it some time, it will start appearing over here and over here as well. So that's it. That is the only difference between a page and a post.